What's up, y'all? It's your boy, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys something that I've been working on. Well, kinda. Uh, I think it's a really good idea. I mean, I thought about this idea. I want to say the summer of seventh grade, so about almost 3 to 4 years ago, I'd say. Um, I thought of the idea again, and I wanted to revisit it and actually work on it because I think it's definitely possible, and it's a really good idea. So yeah, let me just get right into it. Let me just reduce that. All right, beat this. A vending machine. Okay, so the idea is to essentially buy or rent a vending machine and place it in a gym and cycle like protein shakes and energy drinks and whatnot, all that stuff. Okay, so yeah, I mean that's kind of like what's it called? The idea, just a broad idea. I've made a document here that's dedicated to research and development of it. Yeah. So in this video, guess we'll take on the first thing and think of some locations that are nearby that I can place this machine in. All right, let's get to it. All right, so locations. So the product I want is like protein shakes, the core power protein shakes here. So I want this and then two definitely. Anyway, that's products. Let's do that later. All right. So I want to place the machine in gyms, rec centers, and like fitness centers, I guess. So let's just search up gyms near me. Let's get maps. Okay. It's kind of close. Okay. So, okay. Planet Fitness. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. And definitely this one, because I know a lot of people my age go there. From what I know. Just reduce this font size. Alright, so let's go on to contact info. Actually, I think let's find another location. How do I? Is that how? I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Okay. So let's just this number. Let me copy that. Then okay, then it was yep. Planet Fitness. Alright, let's move on to the pros and cons. So, let's see here. So the pros of this, I'm not really sure because I don't go to these gyms. I have like my own gym basically. I don't go to like a public gym like that, so I don't really know the pros. I mean, guess we can go off of say if it's the target market. Let's get one more thing in there. What else? What else? Let's see, where exactly, like, is this? Okay, so there's a Hy-Vee right here that sells those things. So, I mean, it's in close proximity to Hy-Vee, but then again, it's a vending machine, so people are gonna want to go to the vending machine instead of going to all the way to Hy-Vee to get one or two things, you know. Especially like things like energy drinks and protein shakes. That's gonna be less expensive at a vending machine than it is gonna be at Hy-Vee. So I guess I don't really know if that would go in the pros. So let's just put it down for both. Really, we can just copy and paste this for all of them. Okay, let's go into Planet Fitness. Where exactly is that? Ooh, that is like super close to this Hy-Vee right here. Yeah, because the Hy-Vee is like down there. Yikes. I'm not sure. What could be some, where even is it? Is it down here? So, yeah, this is it. I think. What's that? Where is this, yo? I'm not tripping, am I? Oh, there it is. Okay. I mean, can I go inside? No. Guess we could do lots of foot traffic. And just do close proximity to store. Let's do the wreck. Okay. So yeah, this is the wreck. Let's see. That is so wrong. I think. Let's find that. Like, what's walking distance? We want to do. It's not really anything. Yeah, there's not really anything. So this is honestly. And before like I even make a decision, like a final decision, I think this is gonna be the one, because it's basically the best option we got so far. So it's further away from me. That's really the only con I can think of. Let's do further from stores. So then so the reason why I want our location to be further away from stores is because it like kind of advertises the vending machine's convenience. So we went further away from stores. Fits the target market. Then what else? Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not thinking like hard enough or anything. But that's all I can really think of. All right, let's go on to estimated foot traffic. So let me let's go to Planet Fitness. Let's look at the parking lots for foot traffic. How much like people we think go there daily. Not daily, but you get the idea. Right? Right, you get the idea. It's pretty self-explanatory, I'd say. If not, then you're just kind of like a retard. You know? You're just kind of like a retard. It's me. That's me. I'm not gonna say it. My fault. Cut that out. Cut this out. Cut this out. Okay. We're good. So Planet Fitness. I'd say, and this is just going off based on what I see in the parking lot, like cars parked there and stuff. I'd say moderate, low to moderate. Alright, let's do this one. Let's do the rack actually. So what I see from here, let's go. Okay, that looks pretty, like, maybe halfway full. Okay, this is, I'd say about the same. This one's probably a little bit full. Cause let me see if I can get on that side. Oh shit. Where am I? Okay. Okay, do we have any? What the hell is hopping? What is hopping 111? Is this like a? I don't know what the hell this is. Okay. I'd say, yeah, moderate, a low high, like lower values of high. Let's go to this one. You're actually. I know there's a gym down here. Next Level Extreme Fitness. Yeah, but I know some people that go there. I actually know some people that go there. It's, yeah, cause it's right by the Ninja U. So let's actually check this out. Here, let's change. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to. How do I? Okay, there we go. I did not spell that right, did I? Nope, I did. We're good. Okay, let's check this out. Let's check out the parking lot. Why is it highlighting everything, bro? Oh my gosh. Okay. Can we turn? Okay. It's a pretty big parking lot. I mean, there's a Chuck E. Cheese like right here. So see. Let's look at the parking lot. It looks like it definitely grew. I don't know about those cars in the back, because it really could be just anything like up here. And then there's a Ninja U down here, but I don't know like because I think it's like mainly like little kids like below the age of 12. So I don't know if they're like even allowed to drink protein shakes and energy drinks and stuff like that. I don't know, Chief. I don't know. I'll add it anyway. Just to, like, just in case. So for both these, we will do moderate to heavy. No. I know that Dollar Tree right there, it doesn't sell protein shakes or even energy drinks, I don't think. If it is, it's like Gatorade and the really cheap ones. But further from stores that sell desired products. I'm gonna do that for both. Cons, estimated foot traffic could be off for both, because like, I don't know, that parking lot, there's just so many stores nearby that's kind of hard to like get a real reading on the foot traffic that gym gets, so that we can estimate the foot traffic for the vending machine. So we'll do moderate for both. Just moderate. Yeah, just moderate. Actually, no, we didn't even check that one out, did we? No, I'm tweaking. Just check it out. So I'm gonna keep it being. I don't really know how to check foot traffic besides like the parking lots. Yeah, see, this is another situation where we don't know, or I don't know the parking situation is strange. This looks like really low. Is it even? The store's not even here back in 2015. Is it? Or am I just looking in the wrong place? Where is it, y'all? Oh, I'm on the... Bro. Can you open the map? I'm on the complete... Okay. Oh, I was on the right. Can I... How do I get my dude? I mean, shoot, it says like, it should be like right here. Is this it? The 360? I don't know, yo, that's strange. It says it's like right. Is this it? No. I don't know. We're probably gonna cross this one off the list. Yeah. That's good. Okay. So we got the locations picked out. Somewhat, I'd say. It's a pretty good start, I'd say. So let's go down to products. So as far as products, I have maybe like 2. Alright, sorry, got sidetracked. I got sidetracked. As far as products, we're gonna do White Monster. Oh. We're gonna do Core Power, protein shakes, and then what else? What else? What else? I don't know. Let's search it up. X for gym. Let's see here now. Drinks. We're gonna do drinks. Okay, we could do like Gatorade or Swiss drinks. I just don't know like which one. I've never seen anyone drink these before. Ever. So I guess we could do Gatorade. So the reason why I'm so adamant about like Core Power protein shakes is because the Hy-Vee, like right where I live, they're almost always sold out of vanilla ones. So the demand is definitely there. So I mean, you know, I think that's it for this video so far. I don't want to really get into all of it in one video. I want to make it kind of like a series. So yeah, I mean, so we got locations down, and then we got 3 products. That's a pretty good start, I'd say. So yeah. But, I mean, shoot. I got nothing else to say. Oh. I mean, shoot, yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna end the video. I'm just gonna end the video. I have nothing to say, yo. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to end this. I mean, shoot. Tune in for next time. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. I mean, shoot. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll hit this back tomorrow, and then we'll get this done, and probably go into. I want to make it to like researching the actual machines. So I mean, yeah, shoot, let's do it. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow or Wednesday. All right, see you.